Hello, welcome to my channel Creativity Bay. My name is Payal and I am an artist. I like to create art using a step-by-step process. This makes the process simple and easy to understand. My artwork is meant for any age group who loves to paint. For today's tutorial, I have created this artwork using warm colors of yellow and orange, a cool color purple. I have also used black and white and combination of these colors. It's a bright and vibrant painting, which is very easy to follow as it is broken down into a step-by-step process. In this painting, I've used acrylic paint, but it's your choice if you want to use oil paint or watercolor. Acrylic paint dries fast and oil paint takes longer to dry. Hope you will give it a try. So those are all my steps to creating this landscape. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing. That way you will get notification anytime new videos like this come out. Thank you and have a great rest of the day.